Hello, welcome back to my channel, and if this is not your first time, you're also welcome. On this channel you get videos on health, wellness and lifestyle, so do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content. Also give this video a thumbs up. So in this video we'll be talking about the menstrual cycle. Is someone excited already? Yes, I really am. I would like to use this moment to congratulate every lady and beautiful and strong women out there who have started menstruating. I really wish your uterus well and happy menstruating period of your life. Understanding how menstruation works can help you understand how your own cycle works. Your menstrual cycle is part of your body's way of preparing for possible pregnancy each month. So understanding how this process works is very important because you can use this information to help to either get pregnant or avoid getting pregnant, to manage the menstrual symptoms you may be experiencing, and to also understand when there might be a problem. Menstruation is the monthly shedding of the inner lining of a woman's uterus, commonly referred to as the womb. Menstruation is also known by the terms menses, menstrual cycle, or period. The menstrual blood, which is partly blood and partly tissues from the endometrium, that's the inner lining of the uterus now, flows from the uterus through the cervix and out of the body via the vagina. A menstrual cycle is a technical term used to describe the sequence of events which occurs within a woman's body in preparation for the possibility of pregnancy each month. A menstrual cycle is considered to begin on the first day of the period. This is the day in which the bleeding starts. So the average length of a menstrual cycle is 28 days. However, it can range within 21 to 35 days. The menstrual cycle is controlled by a complex group of hormones produced by two structures in the brain, the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland, along with the ovaries. The specific event that occurs during the menstrual cycle is described as follows. The Menses Phase. This phase, which typically lasts from day 1 to 5, is the time when the lining of the uterus is actually shed out through the vagina if pregnancy do not occur. The first day of the menstrual bleeding is considered day 1 of the period. Bleeding is usually heaviest on the first 2 days of the period, so your period can last 3 to 5 days. However, if it lasts within the range of 2 to 7 days, it's still considered normal. The Follicular Phase. This phase typically takes place from day 6 to 14. Once bleeding stops, the uterine lining begins to prepare for the possibility of pregnancy by becoming thicker and enriched in blood and nutrients. In this phase, the follicles in the ovaries grows. During day 10 and 14, one of the developing follicles will form a matured egg, also called the ovum. The Ovulatory Phase. This phase occurs roughly at about day 14 of a 28-day menstrual cycle. An egg is released from one of the ovaries. This event is termed ovulation. The egg release can last for about 24 to 30 hours before being dissolved if fertilization does not occur. The probability of getting pregnant is very high during this phase of the cycle. The Luteal Phase. This phase lasts from about day 15 to day 28. After an egg is released from the ovary, it travels through the fallopian tube to the uterus. If sperm cells are present in the fallopian tube at this time, fertilization can occur. If an egg gets fertilized by a sperm cell and attaches itself to the wall of the uterus, the woman becomes pregnant. However, if the egg was not fertilized or implantation does not occur, the hormonal changes signals the uterus to prepare to shed its lining, and the egg breaks down and is shed along with the lining of the uterus. The cycle begins on day 1 with the menstrual bleeding. So that's the basic knowledge about the menstrual cycle that every woman ought to know. Endeavor to share this video with every woman in your life, and if you have any question pertaining the menstrual cycle, you can ask in the comment section below and I'll personally see to it. Lead a healthy life.